Oh, hey there. Good morning. Yeah, I got a weird look on my face. I'm just trying a little solution for my throat this morning. Supposed to be like water with a higher pH than 9 or than 8, mixed with baking soda. Yeah, it's not very good. I don't know what I was thinking. Good morning. It's Tuesday, and the stock market is about to open in less than 10 minutes. I hope your trading, if you've traded this morning, has gone well. I haven't done too bad. I traded Lucy first off. Made a little bit on WW and also a little bit on ZFOX. These are the three tickers I'm watching this morning. So we've seen a little bit of momentum in the market, but things getting a little more follow through. I was able to actually make something this morning. So yay. Okay, so I had a problem with the live stream just before I hit the record button here. Oh man, I'm actually not even recording. Okay. Technical difficulties this morning. Gotta love it. Yeah, the live stream stopped. I had to start a new one, and then the recording stops, and I've got that going. And we've got, this is working. I gotta just do a quick check here. Okay. Sure, all that's good. All right, so Lucy, yeah, I traded Lucy back here or earlier in the morning around 4:20, and then right around 5 o'clock. On a breakout, I was red on it initially, and then made my way back to green. I'm at my daily goal, so we'll go over the ground book rules here, the game book rules. This is my progress this morning so far, or I'm in this challenge so far. I feel like my brain is challenged. And we are going to look up at the game book rules. I haven't exported them over to here yet. Anyways, one of my game book rules is that if I give back, after I hit my daily goal, if I give back half of my profit after hitting my daily goal, I have to stop trading. I am at my daily goal. My daily goal is $50. I'm sitting at $56. And so if I give back $25, I have to stop. So that is the situation. Now, here are the stocks. Lucy, nice moves up. We are probably due for consolidation. That is probably coming soon. We don't know when. $4 is the high right now that we are fighting. It's a daily level right up here. $4. We can make that bigger if you'd like. And Lucy here, it IPO'd back in August. It hit a high of $7 and has been selling off ever since. Had a bounce here the other day, sold back off. Now we're coming back up. So be careful up in here. We have bag holders that are looking to sell, looking to get out of positions that they've been holding for a while. So we don't know. This thing could break out and go. It's a tech stock, I believe. But bottom line is we have 5-minute higher lows and higher highs on the way up here. We have not consolidated on the 15-minute time frame yet, so we did have a little higher low down here. So anything above 278 on a 15-minute pullback is a higher low. We're looking at the EMAs as a guide on the way up. So yeah, that is that. We have a pivot here. Your resistance is up here. I'm going to get rid of this daily level. We already know it's there. And technically on the 5-minute time frame, anything above 305 is a higher low if we start to consolidate from here. We did have this inside bar bull break. 4 minutes to go till the market opens. 4.5 or 3.5 really. WW made some nice moves. I didn't trade it very actively, but I did take a couple of trades on it. Didn't record them. It was just quick scalp trades on the breakout is all it was. We have a big move on the hourly, 15-minute, and the 5-minute. So we do have a 5-minute support down at 555. Anything above that is a higher low. 592 is our resistance. It's a 15-minute inside bar right now, so I'd be looking at the 2-minute for an equilibrium. High, low, well, maybe call that a little lower high. It's kind of choppy. Anyways, it is consolidation, and we based out down here. Bulls would like to hold 568 on this 2-minute and see a move back up towards 592. Get back over to the 1-minute. I trade the 1 and 5 primarily. but I have the 15 and hourly up above me that I can kind of glance up and get a bird's eye view of what the overall looks like. Okay, ZFOX, kind of a wild card. It pulled back quite a ways here. Larger time frame. Hourly consolidation is underway on ZFOX. It has been for a while now. 15-minute, yeah, it's a double bottom down here. It's more pronounced on the 5-minute time frame. You can see it 248. Didn't quite make it there yet. So there could be a bounce potential off of that, maybe at the open, maybe not, who knows. It's a 250 psychological level. We are trading below the volume weighted average price, so careful on that one. And giving back quite a bit of that move after that nice move up. Right now it's a 5-minute downtrend. You want to see that 5-minute trend change back to the bulls. If you get a 5-minute higher low and higher high with some conviction, then you could say that our hourly higher low is set and we may see a move back up towards 309. And now we have 1 minute until the market opens. So now that we know what the stocks look like, inside bars here on Lucy on that 5-minute time frame. And what is the overall market doing today? I haven't really... Oh, wait, there it is. Okay, I thought I got rid of it. Just real quick, I wanted to see the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so yesterday... Oh yeah, that's right, we had that. Yeah, I can't believe I haven't even looked at this yet. It's not like I didn't have time. 4-hour time frame, so we're opening above the yesterday's high, looking for a 4-hour higher low. Okay. 15 seconds till the market opens. Good luck in your trading today. I hope it goes great for you. And the market is open. Keeping in mind on WW, anything below 592 is just a lower high on that 5-minute time frame. We did break 592, but only by a penny. I don't consider that a bull break. I consider that the bulls failing. Looking for that higher low on Lucy on the 5-minute. I want to jump in on Lucy. I just don't have the conviction to do it there. 350 maybe is an option to jump in on Lucy. I'm still not convinced on that, so I'm going to wait. Wait it out and see what else comes up. I don't want to give back half of my profit this morning. Would rather not. That was a nice bounce, though. Okay, so let's see what Lucy does here. Nice volume. Up in the millions per candle. That's pretty crazy. Spreads on it, pretty tight. Not too bad. ZFOX coming down to that. Yeah, but see on ZFOX here, we already broke out on the 5-minute and now we're coming back. I don't think I want to buy that. I was thinking of buying that off of that support. And it might bounce, but there is Lucy. I'll buy the dip on that right there. Nice. It's a good trade. So as it broke through resistance, it pulled back for a second. I bought the dip and then sold as it surged up. Probably could have bought it twice and sold half and been holding the other half. I will buy the dip there. Just taking small profits on that. Up $75 on my day now, so I'm up 1.5 times my daily goal. We'll see if we get a pullback to 410. I didn't like that pullback, so I got back out. Little too whippy for me. That was a break-even trade. WW failing there. My finger is off of the buy button now. I'm going to sit back and relax for a bit. I'm feeling a little cautious. MARA, Mara, is hitting the scanner. It has a little bit of news. No, it doesn't. It's just linked to crypto, so it's responding to, I think Bitcoin had a big move. Okay, so we had the breakout, the 5-minute breakout that the bulls could not maintain. It was a breakout poop out. Yeah, what's that? Trying to think of what that saying was by Mark Douglas. God, I can't remember anymore. I haven't thought of that in a long time. Mara is hitting that scanner, moving up. I don't really trade Mara too much. I was trying to find it. I think it was when stocks are moving up like this and stuff. Like you take this for example. The saying goes something like you eating like a chicken and pooping like an elephant. I don't know. I just thought that was funny. Mark Douglas, one of my favorite books, Trading in the Zone, taught me a lot about trading. That was where I really turned the corner when I read that book. Taught me mostly that trading is not about winning, about being right or wrong. It's about probabilities. That's all it is. Well, we'll give it another shot here. Oh, baking soda. No, that's so wrong. There's nothing right about that. There's got to be a better way, man. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with the live stream, and I apologize if you're not able to watch. But something funky is up with it today. I don't really know what happened. So we're watching an equilibrium here on LUCY. I'm going to go ahead and buy that dip right there. And I'm going to move my stop loss up to 381. Right about there. So if I get stopped out, I'll lose $10. But what I'm looking for here is a higher low on the 1 minute time frame. I want to hold this level down here. I'm just going to go ahead and sell it. I'm not convinced that it's going to bounce from there. And maybe it will. Let's see if we get over the high here. Find out if I was right or wrong. Haha, right or wrong. Find out if the probabilities were in my favor. WW, this is nice. Not moving fast enough for me. Getting out there. So I'm up $80. I'm thinking about calling her quits here. Dibs on quitsies. Here's a look at the scanners. We have a few things on there. We got some Bitcoin, not Bitcoin stocks, but well, stocks that are linked to Bitcoin. Get back over here and watch Lucy. Let's see if we get a breakout on this equilibrium. Volume, increasing volume on the way up. It had some high red volume here. So you get your high, low, lower high, higher low. Looking for that. See, this favors the bears a little bit because of, never mind. Never mind that. I'm going to put my foot in my mouth there. We're about mid-range, so it doesn't favor bears or bulls more. It's just kind of like kind of smack dab in the middle. But it is starting to get a little choppy. Let's take a look at the overall market and see what it's doing. Or how about I'll look at it and then I'll tell you. You got charts, you can see it. So we had a 5-minute oversold on the market and then we bounced from there. See the RSI. 5-minute oversold. I want to see. Okay, so we opened a little higher, so it's kind of a gap fill right now. I'm going to move this line up to there, that high of yesterday. So we're gap filling that, sort of, kind of. So we opened a little, I don't know, not really. There we go. So 5-minute, we opened up here, we filled the gap. So we'll see if we get a bounce from here. See if the bulls step in on the day, or are we going to roll over for a bit? Yeah, so that equilibrium, it's choppy now. It's no longer, there's your bear break. So, and there's a nice dip opportunity off the volume weighted average price, but I'm not going to trade that. Yeah. There are more opportunities to come yet today, but the ones for me are over. I think I'm going to be done for the day. I'm going to go ahead and enter this into the books. It is not April 10th. That was yesterday, 4/11. So seeing a little bit of momentum in the market, pre-market. That's pretty nice. So there's that. I had a low today, actually. My first couple of trades put me down about $40 on the day, so I was down 40 from my high, from my open of 774, which is 734. That gives me a lower wick on this candle. Again, I'm finishing at my highs. Something I noticed here, like look back here when I was pulling back at the bottom of the pullback before I started making this big run, I had all these candles with lower wicks and I finished at the highs. And here I'm doing that again. Candles with lower wicks finishing at the highs. Does this mean that I'm about to start my next run up? I hope so. We'll see. So I am up $855. Phase 2, kind of slow going, but it was with phase 1 also. I'm on pace right now with phase 2 to still get to my target. It's a 2-month target. When I was up here, I was thinking I might do it in 1 month, but now it's looking more like it's going to be 2 months, and phase 1 also took me 2 months. So that could be my average. It might take me 2 months to get through each one of these phases, and I've got 9 of them to get through. So that's going to do it for me. Thank you for watching, and I hope that I'll see you back here tomorrow morning, Wednesday morning, and keep watching. We're probably going to see something pop up here. Take care. Bye-bye.